Input, outputs, and feedback in plastic toy manufacturing. Welcome to our exploration of plastic toy manufacturing, where we'll break down the process into its core elements: inputs, outputs, and feedback. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how plastic toys come to life, from the raw materials to the finished product, and how feedback plays a crucial role. Let's start by dividing into the inputs needed to create a plastic toy. In the world of plastic toy manufacturing, every toy begins with a combination of essential inputs. Inputs are the building blocks that make up a plastic toy. They include raw materials, design specifications, labor, machinery, and energy. Raw materials, plastic pellets. The first crucial input is raw materials. In this case, we use tiny plastic pellets as a foundation. These pellets are carefully selected based on factors like safety and appearance. These plastic pellets are little pieces of plastic. Depending on the color, we melt these to create a form and basing us on a mold to get the piece that we need on plastic. Different types of plastic can be used, each with its unique properties. Some are chosen by their durability, while others might provide specific colors or textures. The choice of plastic pellets ensures that the toy meets safety standards and looks the way it's supposed to. Design specifications. Next, we have design specifications. These are like the toy's blueprints, telling us exactly how it should look, how big it should be, and any special features it should have. As I have this blueprint showing of an example of a Lego toy. Design specifications are essential for maintaining consistency in the manufacturing process. They guide every step from the molding to the assembly. If there are intricate details or specific colors required, the design specifications ensure that they are included in the final product. Machinery and labor. Human expertise and specialized machinery are critical inputs. Skilled workers operate these machines to shape the plastic and put the toy together. Machinery is like the hands that mold and shape the plastic. Workers oversee the process, ensuring everything runs smoothly. They also perform quality checks, making sure each toy meets the design specifications and safety standards. Energy sources. Energy sources such as electricity provide the power needed to run the machinery and maintain the right conditions in the factory. Electricity keeps the machines running smoothly and the factory environment just right. Maintaining consistency at the temperature and humidity levels is crucial, especially when working with plastics. Energy sources ensure that the product process remains efficient. With a clear understanding of the inputs, let's explore what we get as a result. The outputs. Outputs in plastic toy manufacturing. These are the exciting part of plastic toy manufacturing. They represent the final product and everything that comes with them. Outputs include the finished products themselves, the toys, the packaging that protects and showcases them, and the data that helps us make the toys better in the future. Finished plastic toys. The most obvious output is the toys themselves. This can range from action figures and dolls to cars and building blocks, such as the ones I am illustrating in this presentation. Each toy is meticulously crafted, shaped, and assembled to meet the design specifications, ensuring quality and safety is top priority. This is the fun part, the end result that children and collectors can enjoy. Packaging. Packaging is another important output. It's what keeps the toy safe and tells you what's inside it. It can be a colorful box, a blister pack, or something else. Packaging serves multiple purposes. It safeguards the toy during transportation and storage, preventing any damage. It also provides important information like the toy's feature, age recommendations, and sometimes a story about the toy. Attractive packaging can even influence someone's decision to buy the toy. Quality control data. Behind the scenes, quality control data is generated as an essential output. This data includes detailed information about the toy specifications and any deviations from the design. Quality control data is all about making sure each toy meets high standards of safety and quality. Any differences or issues that pop up during the manufacturing process are carefully documented. This helps us catch and find and fix problems to maintain top-notch toys. Each toy, depending on the usage or the type of toy itself, if it's a block like a Lego of just a car, such as Hot Wheels, every one of them will have a lot of difference between the standards that they need and the showcase that is going to have in the public. Now that we have our plastic toys ready, let's talk about how feedback helps us make them even better. Feedback in plastic toy manufacturing. Feedback is like having a guide to make sure our plastic toy manufacturing process stays on track and keeps improving. Feedback means collecting information throughout the manufacturing process to make better toys and fix any problems. As a feedback example, it can be a survey where our early customers that we give our products to, they can inspect them, they can prove them, test it, and tells us in these surveys or the, the their opinions themselves. If they didn't like something, if they think that something of it is dangerous to any kid, or defects that these have as quality, for example. Quality control inspections. Quality control inspections are a crucial source of feedback. Trained inspectors carefully check each toy, noticing any differences from the design or safety issues. Of course, trained inspectors not only check each toy, but they take a percentage of the total production of the toys to make a quality test. Inspectors play a key role in making sure our toys are safe and high quality. Their findings are documented and shared with the manufacturing team so we can make improvements right away. As I was saying, customer reviews and testing are another source of feedback. Some toys may be tested by groups of people or early customers, giving us insights into what's working well and what needs improvement. If I, as a customer, was reviewing a toy, let's take an example, a Lego, and this Lego, it had a problem between not being able to get on top of another piece of Lego. This is something I need to review and put in the service that I'm going to do for the Lego corporate for these testings. Listening to what people have to say is essential. Positive reviews helps us know what's great about the toy, while constructive criticisms helps us make it even better. We carefully study this feedback to make changes and enhancements. Matching performance data. Monitoring machine performance is crucial. We keep track of how well our machines are working to maintain consistent quality and efficiency. Our machines need to work just right to make perfect toys. Monitoring their performance helps us catch any issues early so we can keep making toys that meet our standards. So, as a conclusion, inputs, outputs, and feedback come together to make fantastic plastic toys. Every step of the process is crucial as the inputs, as the correct materials we need to put inside the process to have our outputs just as we need and how we want them to be. And feedback is exactly just as important as this before, because feedback will helps us know what's needed to be improved, and well, yeah, improvements that we can develop thanks to testings and customers. Thank you for joining me on this journey of toy making magic.